Alright, everybody go before her.
I just want my besties to see me. Why am I have to use that one here? Come here, Kiki, here. I guess keep the camera. Keep the camera. Okay. Flip the camera. Go back to Kiki. You have to go all the way back there.
I need to clean the camera. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I thank you all. Would you like to just go barefoot?
Lift.
Oh, thank you.
I'm trying to be a good video man, but.
She's beautiful. You are so beautiful.
I didn't know you were gonna be here. Mwah, mwah. I love you. Hey, hello. How are you? I want to go on this.
Let me just come over this side because I have the.
Make sure you sit tight, please.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, like that. Keep it. Yep. Yes. 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 I like how you're looking at
This one?
yes, and then look to the side. Yes. Yes. Look at me. Yes. Yes.
Let me see. Let me try. I think it's the color. Let me try this way. Try this way.
Yeah, probably that.
Okay, so Grace is here. And Fort Lauderdale, you miss it. Catch it on the website.
Shekinah, can I get one with you?
Should me have the phone? She's on live. She told me to order. Sorry.
This camera.
Come on, no specs. Get me all the way together.
They got your back.
Okay.
They got your back.
I'll be here.
Move your back, please. Chicago, please. And
Where you want me at?
right here. This is the back of that. Nice.
Thank you. Can we go inside? Let me talk to my besties.
Okay.
Besties, hi guys. Flip on the camera. Oh, I've come to remember some of the gloves, auntie. I got to be my finger for the night. Hey guys, how you guys feeling? I'm doing the Cinderella theme tonight because you know how they casted her out and then she became the one. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, the Cinderella dress. But I mean, I wanted you guys to celebrate tonight with me, so I'm going to be on my live tonight so you can just witness this historical moment with me. So stay tuned. I won't be able to hold the phone, so you know, Auntie Kiki. Oh, hi! Yes, so I won't be able to hold the phone all night, so Auntie Kiki will do the pleasure of keeping the phone and making sure you guys. Hi, how are you?
Hello. I don't know if we know each other, but I think we're playing tonight.
Oh, you are?
the violinist.
Oh, you're the violinist?
Yeah.
Awesome.
You're Spice, right?
Sometimes.
Like
Sometimes.
I heard she's like blue looking, so I'm looking for that girl. Does anyone know where Spice is? I'm still looking for her.
I'm looking for her too. Have you seen her? But
And
guess
she's that
what?
girl, she's in blue.
No, when you see her, you'll know.
Oh, okay, okay.
Just look for blue dramatic and you'll find her.
You gotta help me. I'm kind of lost. I don't know what she
The
is.
only person with blue, very dramatic.
I'm the only
gonna
one with
be her.
blue eyes, so I'm kind of looking at myself over here. Listen, let's go kill it tonight, okay?
You look
Listen,
awesome.
much love. Thank you so much. Steven Avi, okay? Steven Avi El Gato, right? Follow me over there. See you guys soon, okay? Much love.
All
Respect.
right, that's your side. Marla. Sorry, I don't want you to cut your eye. But everybody say hello to.
What's up, besties? I'm the #1 certified bestie. Oh, I look good, so.
Look okay, you get little filter so your face can look smooth. Smooth out your face.
Smooth it.
It's my pleasure. I can't wait. I'm ready to walk in.
Yes.
All right. Auntie, Kiki. All right, I'm walking in. Sorry, I don't know if you want that too. I'm ready to walk in. Or do you want us to do something out here? Okay, before I walk in. Flip it. All right, let's do it. Where do you want me to go?
In the middle, right?
All right.
Morning drive, guess what? We get to say here. Love the dress.
Thank you. Thank you. This is a Cinderella theme.
Cinderella theme?
Yes. Because you remember how they never want Cinderella to be the one and she ended up being the one? That's the theme for this dress. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Say that again? It means absolutely everything because like I said, I'm in this
You could go ahead.
dress because it's a
Ooh, thank you. Thank you.
but then she ended up being the one. And it really means everything to me to know that I started from humble beginning. And as a poor girl coming out of poor
What's in here, right?
I'm able to be the living testimony that with God and hard work, everything is possible. I'm living my dream. I'm super humble. I'm extremely grateful. I'm honored to be awarded with this title. Not just to the city, but to the region. It definitely means a lot to me. And I know that I see my right. And I mean, to know that you know honored with the key to the region, it definitely means a lot. Because I don't take it lightly. I know that I've been no matter from my community to my Women's Empowerment Foundation. It's like I'm reaping the benefits of the seed that I've sown. It's not just myself in the journey, but the entire Jamaica, not just Dancehall, but the entire Jamaica. Prayer and work conquers all. I'll definitely let them know that good, better, best. Never let the person to the good becomes better and the better becomes the best. Consistency is the key to success. Thank you so much. I mean, my situation I'm still in the works for it. I know it's something right. But people love God has blessed me because it's so relatable. And so that song is doing extremely well. So many people like TikTok and stuff, and I know you play it every day. So I just want to say thank you so much because that song really means a lot to me. It gives me, it's like my rebirth. It gives me something that showcases that God is real. I was given a second chance to life, but it still represents my genre. So I really, really love that song. Thank you so much. I want to ask one last question. Remain true to yourself. I remember them telling me as a black woman coming from Jamaica that this wouldn't be possible, that I would have to bleach to reach where I am. And the fact that I'm able to be opening up doors for other young women, I'm now showcasing and showing them that it is possible to stay true to yourself and achieve your dreams. So just remain true to who you are and just continue going. Consistency is the key. Thank you so much.
The commissioners advise me to take a picture of the business captain.
Thank you so much.
Slide over.
Probably the center.
Slide back. Let the photographer take one more.
My turn.
That's what you pay for, buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where you from, brother? Yeah. You can do it different ways, different size.
What about you?
Right here.
Look at me, look at me, look at me. Thank you.
Marlon, let's get one.
Right here, right here, right here. Thank you.
One more. Five.
I'm gonna make sure you get your photo fast because this is too dark.
Okay.
Huh?
You want me to take video of you? I got you. I got you.
want to go live. We go live.
Thank you.
Can I take a video with my twin?
Miss Martin, you want to go live or video?
How you going somewhere?
Look at here, look at the camera. Thank you.
Tabletop radio.
No problem. I think so. Yes.
Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Okay. Okay, look at me, look at me, look at me. Full body close up, 3. Thank you. Very nice.
Commissioner Joyce Smith.
Okay, thank you so much. I hope you only see
How you been?
You scared me. I've been good in yourself.
I've been good.
So
All right.
long.
I'm here chilling.
I know, right? I
Working.
gotta get over there to the studio and let you know. Like, look at my girl up.
It's-
I can't keep telling her. That's the man.
She's coming back and she's bringing you with her.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Same building. Over there in the back of the warehouse. I'm still there.
Oh, yeah.
Come see me.
I will. Don't you worry. I'll do it.
All right.
This been years.
At least, what, 4?
My turn.
Remember COVID did everything went fast. That's like 3 years.
Thank you.
We're in 2023.
That was 2017.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you. To them side too. Brown. Come in.
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
My turn. You can go after her. Sorry. You can go after her.
After this one.
Yes.
meeting Julie Mango.
Oh, finally. Mwah. Mwah. I'm sorry. I know, right? People. Besties.
Look at here.
Over here.
Over here. Thank you.
One here with you.
Wait, Juliet, 1 minute. Oh, yes. Come.
Don't forget to look over here.
Everybody start because it's getting late.
Just one more commissioner.
Wait, just her last.
And her last.
Wait, you didn't get to look at her?
Look at me, look at me, look at me. Thank you.
Get napkin. And some.
Oh,
It's okay. Yeah. All right.
look at the camera. Okay, look at me, look at me. Last one. Thank you. Look at me, look at me. Thank you.
Can you do some more singles for me, please?
Of course, of course, of course. Hold on, hold on. Stay still.
You got it?
Allez, on va continuer à parler toujours.
I would love to stay, but I gotta go inside, guys. Come. After party. Yes. Let me get one with mommy. Come, we have to get mommy.
Yes. Mommy and Dada. Dada. Hurry up. Dada, hurry up, Dada. Hurry. Jeez. Ready? This is the last one.
Mama parts, I'm sorry.
Beautiful.
All right. Thank you. All right. Let me talk to them. Flip it for me. Hey guys. Okay. I'm about to walk in, guys. I don't know how long everybody I got one hold it. Somebody say, I gotta go, guys. Let me just flip the camera. Flip it. Where is it? Flip it.
The honoree of the evening, none other than Miss Grace Spice Hamilton, is about to make her way. Give it up for Grace Spice Hamilton.
You want to do it? She wants to go in front. Let's go.
Y'all have been fed. Y'all have been nourished. Come on. Look how she look nice. Nice, decent, clean. As she takes her seat. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause. Take her all in. And her escort will take her to her seat. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this show is about to restart. Get all your videos, get all your photos. The blue in all its glory. Yes. Lady in blue, not lady in any other blue. Picture up, talking. We give them a little time to take her all in. And then we move on to a special segment. That's right. All right. She has taken her seat. Sound effects, DJ Curtis. Sound effects. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know the excitement you cannot contain, but I'm asking you please to take your seat downs. I'm asking you please to take your seat downs as the show continues. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I told you, we are all about to get a treat. We have a performance. We have it. Yes, on the who, but it's not the one that's taking a different performance. But we have a performance that is going to be a special performance for the lady herself. And I want you to give a round of applause. Remember the magician from before and reappear now. Make some noise for magician LiQWYD. LiQWYD. Listen, Vladdy, I want you to take care of the Queen of Dancehall, you know, because we have legacy to carry on, sir. You understand? All right, let's go. Turn your attention to the table right there. Everyone turn your attention. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Mike.
Oh, I might just like her. Huh? That's Erica.
Hi, besties. Spices, besties.
How you all doing?
Pastor Brady's here.
Yes.
Hi, besties. Blue dress. Look at these beautiful ladies. All right, guys. I just wanted to share that moment with you guys, but you know, I'm going to come on for the live. I love you guys. I'll send videos when I'm receiving the keys to the region. To the region, not the city. Multiple mayors are here. It's the keys to the region. Thank you, guys.
Talk that shit, Spice. Talk that shit.
Somebody said take off the comments. I need to see clearly, but I'm gonna get off live.
Oh,
because they're all so
magician behind you.
Right here.
Oh, sitting here looking at the stage.
Oh, hello. I didn't know.
We're going to be seeing one-of-a-kind magic. You haven't seen anything like that. So my name is Vladi Lucan. I come all the way from Macedonia. I live on the beautiful island of Tasmania, and I also do live in Palm Beach. If you're interested to hire me for the next event. One more month in the beautiful state of Florida. So Spice, you're going to be seeing one kind of a magic, something you've never seen before.
You gonna make me get a man?
Voila.
Voila! Is he in a box somewhere?
I was so sure actually that she's gonna wear a blue dress and a hat to pull my blue suit.
Oh wow!
Okay, that's right.
Ready to begin?
Are you playing tricks?
Magic.
You're crazy.
We're gonna see some magic.
You need to pay a really close attention.
Okay. You got a little magic going on.
Spice, you ready to begin?
Yes.
You can see, keep me honest, you can see all of them different. All of them different. Spice, do me a favor. At any time, we haven't set anything up. You can say stop at any time you like. You feel, say stop, please.
Stop.
Is that the one?
Yes.
Take a look, please, and show everybody what you got. I promise that one look. Do not forget it, please.
Oh, give me that card, yeah.
Don't forget it, please.
I know that's right.
Don't forget it. Let me know when you're done. Just place it back.
Don't look.
I won't. I promise. I've seen this trick before.
Wait.
Place it back. Let me know when you're done.
I did. Yes.
No. You cannot drink pay close attention. Spice, do me a favor. All the way in the middle. Push it all the way. Just give me the hand like this. It wasn't the 4 of spades. Keep me honest. It wasn't the 4 of spades.
No.
I'm facing the camera. It's not a 4 of spades. Can you keep me honest?
No, it wasn't.
4 of spades. It's not. Give me the hand like this. Spice, please close attention. Pay attention. Darling, can you help me please as well? Put the other hand on top. Pay close attention. Keep it like that. You're not in my hand. All it takes is one blow, one snap. Take a look and show me what you got.
Wow.
Okay. Wow.
I always want to take things to the next level. I'm gonna do something that you've never seen before. Pay close attention. Is that the one you showed us?
Yes.
Be honest, by spinning the hand like this. Do you know that? Do you know why you selected the queen?
Because I am a queen.
I agree on that, but I was so sure you're gonna select the cards tonight that I made a special creation. Can the camera please catch this picture? You can see on my finger I have a creation. Can you tell them what it says on my finger?
Oh, a queen of art.
It is the queen, but I always want to take things one step further. Do not blink. I'll place it on the bottom. Keep me honest. Spice all of everything. Keep me honest. Put a hand on top, Spice, please. This is the part that you need to pay a close attention. Do not blink. Make sure the camera catches this. Just like that. One more. Keep me honest. Pay close attention.
Oh, wow.
What?
Oh wow.
All queens?
They all queens.
They're all queens.
All queens.
What the f?
That's dope.
Pay close attention. A spice. This is
Did
your
you see
night,
that?
And I wanted to make something special. Give me the hand like this. I'll take one of the queens as slowly as I can. One of the queens.
I wonder if that man can
Put
find
the
them.
hand like this. Put the other hand on top. Keep me honest. I always want to take things to the next level. One blow. Make sure the camera catch this one. All of them back to normal, except for one. Take a look and show them what you got. Make sure the camera catches that. Can you show them this?
Wow. That is crazy. I wonder if the man can find me a man. You know, she said the man a real magician. But if him can pop out to a man on time at. Wow. Thank you.
Do you have an idea? Do we have some time for something?
Wow. That's amazing.
Why not?
Sure.
Shall we?
Y'all a bunch of children.
Spice, make sure you knows that.
Okay.
It will be worth reading down some.
I went him do a while ago. Besties, you see when him do a while ago?
Yes.
Spice, do you have maybe a favorite card, something that you really like? Or just flash one, please.
Just touch one.
Please.
You know Simba?
But where's the queen? It disappeared.
Is that it?
Yes.
You're gonna make this something special that's gonna be worth a lot of money. Do me a favor, we never met before. Sign only the face of the card. Do not lose it, please. Pay close attention.
You said to sign it.
Please help her out. To sign only the face is what we hear.
Hell no. I'm not gonna stay up with my back like that.
Can the camera which one I'm facing? Is it that one? Is it signed? Is the only one like that? We can all like it.
Yes.
Just give me the hand like this. Pay attention. I'll give you the A of hearts, just like that. Give me the hand like this. I'm gonna hear it. I'm gonna make you feel me.
Open that money I do.
Close it like that and make sure I don't go near. Keep it like that. I'm gonna use people like that and make sure I don't go near. Watch what happens. I will use the next card, which is the 2 of diamonds. Pay attention. Is the 2 of diamonds. And I'll link, I'll put. Nice image.
What am I do?
Is that my name? Can we see that? Everybody can see that?
Yes.
You're still holding the card. Make sure I don't go near. All it takes. I have the 2, and you sign the 8.
Yeah.
Darling, give me the hand like this, please.
Oh, you're aggressive.
All it takes, do not blame. I tear it, spice card in 4 pieces, right? Give me a second. It goes. All it takes.
Ooh.
Is that the one you sign?
Amazing, yes.
Take a look and show them what you got. Show them what you got.
Oh, wow.
Can the camera catch that, please?
Oh, wow.
You got a broke up car.
Switch places. Can you show them what you got?
Oh, wow.
They switch places.
Yes.
You sign it, one of a kind, but give me the hand. You sign it, spice. This is the one you sign. Spice. Give me the hand.
Exactly.
And close it, close it. That's the one you sign. You're holding 4 pieces. What if we can go back in time? I'm gonna sell this one actually tonight on eBay. Make a lot of money. But you saw the thing in that piece in 4 pieces. Show them what you got.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Now that was it. No, that beautiful. Good job, good job. Good job. Beautiful, thank you.
Thank you all so very much.
Oh. That's something that stifle me. Miss one, I forgot to take it off.
Thank you. Give it up for magician LiQWYD. Give it up for LiQWYD. For those of you who can see, there are 4 pieces of cards in Spice's hand, and then the same 4 pieces of cards between 1, and lots of things happen. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like for you to take your seats. Thank you so much. Magician LiQWYD. We are now going to move on to the presentation of the keys to the region to none other than Grace Hamilton. So right now, yes, a round of applause is a big moment. We will be presenting the keys to the region to Grace Hamilton, and now I invite all the elected officials to join Commissioner Marlon Bolton on the stage. Round of applause. Come on up, elected officials, come on up.
I never write no speech. I will never say.
Commissioners, commissionees, commissionoirs, ladies and gentlemen, whether you're a female commissioner or male commissioner,
So guys,
tall, short,
this is,
elected yesterday,
over
today, last year,
15 mayors that's signing off on the keys for me.
Please join
This is
me
more than
on
one
stage
mayor,
as
so-
you present the keys to the region to none other than Spice Grace.
And I did not
Grace
write a
Spice
speech, and I have no
Hamilton.
idea what I'm going to
Grace
say.
Spice Hamilton. It just rolls off my tongue. Round of applause. Keep the applause going. Thank you, thank you. And of course, I will now hand the mic over. We are waiting. Please line up like a fence, like a defense. This is Army Strong, people. This is Army Strong. Look how the stage is embellished with beauty. They look so lovely. Give them a round of applause. You guys look lovely, 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 lovely.
You don't understand.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what
Over
leadership looks
15
like.
different mayors
Unity. Commissioner Bolton, would you like to
and
have a
commissioners
microphone?
on the
Indeed,
stage.
indeed, indeed.
You don't understand.
And
This
of course,
has never
ladies
been
and
done
gentlemen,
before.
Listen, you've been fed. So when I say round of applause, I want you to give it all
This has
you've got.
never,
Please
ever
help
been
me
done before.
Welcome on stage none other
15
than the lady was said she don't fight
commissioners,
over man. She's a girl who
mayors.
don't fight over
Wow,
man.
Jesus
Because
Christ,
she
can I have a
always
speech?
cool it, and no matter
Where's,
what time it
Empress?
talk, she always just keep it cool. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome none other than Grace Spice Hamilton to the stage. Thank you, thank you. Get on your feet, please. Get on your feet. Get on your feet. Work out the fish and the chicken and the carbs. We don't say go phone and eat butter on the grill. And they're not supposed to do it because doctor said to come off a whole of fat. Fat is tough. Round of applause. Keep it going. Thank you. Gracing us, as her name is Grace. I thank you so much. Here we are.
Spice is making her way onto the stage. I could not do this without the elected officials on stage. They have placed their personal hands on the key to the region on behalf of Spice. And of course, and of course, as you know, this had to be made. It's very expensive, it's truly heavy, and it was purchased by Matthew Bolu from parkingpass.com. Thank you so very much, Matt. So, on behalf of Mayor Tamara James, Honorable Regina Martin, Honorable Yvette Colborn, Honorable John Taylor, Honorable Luke Lewis, Honorable Joy Smith, Honorable Ashira Mohammed, Honorable Alexandra Davis, Honorable Maury Wright, Honorable Ray Martin, Honorable Maxwell Chambers, Honorable Keisha Daniel, Honorable Denise Grant, Honorable Katrina Tuckstone, and Honorable Mark Douglas, we present to you, Spice, the keys to the region. And Spice, the next time you go to Trinidad, please look up the Honorable Francis from the Youth Ministry in Trinidad. He's with us tonight and he's celebrating, he's not Jamaican, but he's certainly Trini, and we are extremely happy to have him tonight. Honorable Francis, will you join us this day?
Sorry. Oh,
wow. Thank you so much. I was supposed to write a speech, but I didn't get a chance to. So I'm just going to go ahead and speak from my heart. First, I want to greet the Spirit of God who's always ahead of my life. You know, I wouldn't without you. So thank you, Jesus, for this moment. Then I want to say a special thank you to my mother, Angela Hamilton, who raised me so that I was able to know how to work miracles. I've watched her turn a pound of rice into 5 pounds to feed so many kids. My father, who's the reason why I'm in music, may his soul rest in peace, Anthony Hamilton, I love you so much. My family members who are here with me, my brother Moyne is here, my sister Shana is here, Fenice is not here, Denise is not here, Donovan is not here. But I love my family so much. To my beautiful children, Nicholas and Nicola Toy. Mommy has a place in her heart that is just unexplainable, the love that I have for you guys. I personally want to take the time out to thank myself for standing here tonight. Because it was because I never gave up why I'm here. It was through prayer, hard work, and consistency while I'm standing here surrounded by people who I never dreamt that I would stand in amongst, because they told me that as a black woman this was impossible. And so I want to thank myself for never giving up and for believing in myself. I'm extremely grateful. I'm gleeful. I am humbled. It gives me great pleasure. This is an honor. This is a historical moment. I do not take it for granted. I do not take it lightly. I am extremely so happy that I was chosen for this historical moment. Coming out of Jamaica as a black woman, they often make it seem like you have to bleach to reach. And so standing here tonight, it gives me great pleasure just to realize that, you know, I'm able to accomplish something that I don't have to fight for. And I just want to thank you guys for opening the doors so that I was able to just walk through so easily. When Mr. Bolton called me with the keys to the city, the keys to the region. Because at first I thought it was the keys to the city. But I mean, this is not a small thing, and so I don't want to talk too low when we are talking about it.
It's a big thing.
This is a very big thing. So I want to talk really loud and proper so that you understand.
Yes.
This is not a small thing.
Yes.
It's a very, very big thing, and I'm extremely grateful. And I definitely want to call the names, and even though you've done it before, I want to repeat this because I want each and every one of you on here to just understand how grateful I am, how humbled I am. Honorable Tamara James, thank you so much. Honorable John Taylor. Honorable Mohammed, thank you so much. Honorable Ray Martin, I thank you. Honorable Denise Grant. Honorable Regina Martin. Honorable Luke Lewis. Honorable Alexandra Davis. Honorable Maxwell Chambers. Honorable Katrina Touchstone. Honorable Yvette. Honorable Joy Smith. Honorable Murray Wright. Honorable Danielle, Honorable Mark Douglas, and of course, Mr. Bolton, Marlon, thank you so much. Possible, but also to my besties out there, wherever you are in the world. Besties in the day, and also on Instagram Live. Thank you, besties, so much for believing in me, for encouraging me. I've been in the business for 20 years, and it was just because of you why I'm still here. It wasn't easy, but I'm able to say that prayer and work conquers all. Big up Father God, big up Jesus, big up all of my love and hip-hop family who's here with me today, my pastor who's here. So many people and so many names, Ray Alexander, Richie Feelings. Like, I don't even want to start calling names because it wasn't me alone that is making it possible for me to be here. And I know oftentimes when I call some people name, some people going to say, oh, you never call my name. And so if you have supported the brand Spice in any way, and it doesn't matter how small it is, Bounty Killer, Baby Sham, Ninja Man, Vibes Cartel, Shaggy, Sean Paul. I hope I'm not forgetting anyone. Everyone who has input something. Florida, he came to see me earlier just to say, you know, he's so happy and he's so grateful. Any artist and anyone, my best is my fans who fight for me. Thank you so much. Am I forgetting anyone? My love and hip hop family, I said it already. LaShawn, thank you so much. Paris, Mimi, Jasmine, Justin, everyone who works behind the scenes to make Brand Spice what it is. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. My besties, again, I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Big up Father God, thank you Jesus for this moment. I appreciate it so much.
Yes,
thank you. Specs Photography is in here. Empress Glam is here with me. Deandra for my beautiful makeup and hairstylist. Everybody that's here with me. Shekinah. Oh, I shouldn't even start calling names because I have to call every name. Rashida is here with me. Erica is here with me. Kirk is here with me. Simba Simba is here with me, my pastor at my table, who was great for me. Last year was a very tragic moment for me. And it just reminds me, oh, God is good. How, you know, I am meant to be here because God has proven that to me. And so I'm a living testimony that God is real. And so I'm just so grateful. And when I get nervous, I talk a lot, but I just want to tell you guys how grateful I am for this moment. Historical moment. Thank you guys so much.
Key to the region.
Oh my God. Thank you.